Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the most wonderful game show on social media. I'm your host, Niga Simara, and this is... Ya big idiot? Yes, reintroducing our contenders, we have Everil, and we have Bradley. Now it's in Everil's corner. Everil, answer me this question. What gets longer when you jerk it?
Miss Hutchins.
Goes between breasts?
Miss Healy.
Slides in a hole?
You're deaf.
And loves being pulled. Me hood. Huh? Me cocky. Yeah, I could tell you were a little bit arrogant when you got here. Me body. You and I are not friends. Womb broom. Womb raider. Tan banana. Sex pistol. Nigga, what? I mean, what? What did you say?
No, my penis, man.
No, I'm sorry, that's not it. Bradley, for $50 million, do you have the answer? Yes, Tom. That's a seatbelt. Yes, he did it, ladies and gentlemen. Bradley is our winner. Bradley goes home with $50 million, and Everil is a big idiot. I've been your host, Niga Simara, and this is the most awesome game show on social media. Yeah, big idiot. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen.